Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video brings you a tutorial on connecting the Skydroid G30 to the CUAV X7 Plus flight controller. The Skydroid G30 series adopts a Qualcomm 6nm processor and runs the Android 14 embedded system, delivering smooth and stable performance. With its open ecosystem, it supports the installation of most mainstream applications. It features a brand new high-power, high-bandwidth 2.45.8G dual-band wireless module with automatic frequency hopping and MCS dynamic adjustment, achieving an image and data transmission range of up to 30 kilometers. The CUAV X7 Plus is a high-end flight controller designed and manufactured by CUAV. It is powered by an STM32H7 series processor, offering higher performance than Pixhawk FMU V5X. And integrates high-precision industrial-grade sensors and ultra-low temperature drift sensors. It supports both ArduPilot and PX4 firmware. The X7 Plus series provides excellent stability and strong resistance to interference. This video is mainly divided into 3 parts. What products are used in this test? How to do the wiring. How to configure and display the connection. What products are used in this test? The products used in this test include Skydroid G30 remote controller, CUAV X7 Plus flight controller. The cables used include Skydroid G30 S.Bus plus Telem cable, X7 Plus power module, G30 receiver power cable, D to XT60 adapter. How to do the wiring. First, connect the Telem 1 SBUS port of the G30 receiver to the RC port and Telem 1 port of the X7 Plus flight controller. The connector on the G30 receiver Telem 1 SBUS port is a GH1.255 pin. The telemetry port connector on the X7 Plus flight controller is a GH1.256 pin. The RC connector on the V6X flight controller is a 3-pin DuPont connector. Next, connect the power module to the battery to supply power to the X7 Plus flight controller. Finally, connect the adapter to the power module, and use the G30 power cable to connect the adapter to power the receiver. The receiver power interface is XT30, and the connector on the other end is JST 2.54mm 2P. How to configure and display. Open QGround Control. Click Application Settings in the upper left corner. then select Communication Links. If this is your first time using it, click Add. Since we have already configured it before, we will click Edit to show the settings. First, enter any name you like. Set type to UDP. Set port to 14551. For the server address, enter 127.0.0.1:14552, then click Add Server. Finally, click Save in the upper right corner. In the Communication Links interface, click Connect. Return to the flight interface. When we move the flight controller, we can see the real-time status displayed in the ground station. Click the upper left corner to enter settings, then go to the radio calibration page. By moving the remote controller sticks, you can see that the S.bus control is working properly. This concludes the tutorial video on connecting the Skydroid G30 to the CUAV X7 Plus flight controller. Thank you for watching and for your support. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.